Thanks for your interest in Artepiso architectural concrete tiles. In this video, we'll walk you through the installation process as well as some tips to get the most out of your Artepiso tiles. Planning your project. To know the amount of stone required, measure the area, height, and width. To determine the square footage of stone product needed, it is best to assume 10% extra product to accommodate for cuts. Tools needed for installation. Masonry saw, wet or dry. Medium to coarse sandpaper. Measuring tape. Level. Small trowel. Pencil. Damp cloth or sponge. Step 1. Tile preparation. Store the boxes in a dry area and do not allow them to get wet. Moisture may cause tiles to stain, fade, or create other damage on the surface. Tiles should be taken out of the box and carefully cleaned with a damp cloth to remove dust or other minor impurities. Step 2. Surface preparation. The tile is made to install over a relatively flat, smooth surface. The surface must also be clean and free of debris. If you plan to install over a painted wall, use medium to coarse sandpaper to rough up the surface to have it ready for bonding. If you have any damages on the wall, you must repair them prior to the installation. Step 3. Placing and installing tiles. Take your time to plan and lay out your project. Determine placement of cut pieces to ensure the best finished look possible. You will probably need to cut some tiles. The tiles will cut with a standard masonry saw. First, draw the cutting line on the exterior part of the tile with a pencil. Align the pencil mark on the tile with the blade of the saw and cut the tile. After cutting, use the sandpaper to lightly sand the side of the cut edge. Setting the tiles. Use pre-mixed thin set, tile adhesive, or heavy-duty construction adhesive for bonding. Follow adhesive manufacturer's instructions. Ensure complete coverage on the back of the tile, avoiding any air pockets between the wall and the tile. Remove excess product from the tile with a small spatula to avoid stains. Start laying the tiles from the bottom and work up the wall, ensuring to remain level at each course. The tiles should be placed next to each other, fitting them as close as possible to each other to minimize gaps. Painting. If you wish to do so, the tiles can be painted with an acrylic, solvent, or latex paint. They can be sprayed, brushed, or rolled. We recommend doing so before installation. Cleaning and maintenance. After the installation has been performed and the wall is completely dry, clean the tiles with water and mild detergent mixture and a damp cloth or sponge. Avoid using excess amount of water. Let the tiles air dry naturally. If necessary, you can follow the same process over time to keep the tiles free of dust or any other impurities. We hope you enjoy your purchase of Artepiso concrete tiles. If you have any questions, please contact us at sales@instoneco.com.